Just imagine living in the middle of a nature sanctuary where your only neighbors is the river and some manatees swimming by. 207 Cardinal Trail is nestled right across from the 500-acre Hal Patioki Park. This 3-bedroom home is completely updated with a brand new quartz kitchen, resort-style pool, 2 private boat docks with direct ocean access, and the best part, the HOA is only $350 a year and includes a private storage lot for your RV and toys.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning.
DM me to tour this nature lover's paradise today.